two elephants fight, the grass will suffer. And this is actually what happens here. When two big trading countries are having a dispute, many of the smaller countries are suffering. And for small developing and least developed countries, if they are suffering, it is much more hurtful for these countries. It's linked to a whole number of other issues, such as immigration or migration, such as economic development. It impacts their economy much more than the bigger trading nations.
More companies are reporting revenue growth than they had before. More companies are considering themselves very profitable in China than ever before, and more are investing more than they have. We also see that a big shift in a number of companies that are feeling like that China's contributing a lot to the profitability at the head office, right? So I think that is an indication that this still looks to be a very vibrant market. There's clearly a commitment and an interest and an understanding of the market opportunity, but also organizations need to understand, they're also worried about what could happen, right?
Well, from capital point of view, stability is very important, and also long-term planning. So this trade war, if it's going for indefinite time, so of course it's going to affect lots of people's planning. What its impact is going to be on the currency situation or investment climate, and also the relationship between the two countries.
China should do a better job of explaining responses to what the executive branch in the U.S. is doing. Donald Trump is an expert in public relations. He used social media in the U.S. to explain to the U.S. people that China is also a victim in this, that the accusations from the U.S. Regarding unfair trade, maybe some of them are true, and some of them we're making progress towards, and on the other ones, say what's not true so the American people can make their own decisions. A lot of Americans have no idea how complex China is. Within there you have federal, you have provincial, you have municipal, you have state-owned enterprises, you have private enterprises, you have joint ventures, and a lot of the world trade between China and the U.S. is actually controlled by American companies or international companies with plants here or joint ventures. It's not simple to say China can just snap its finger and make changes to trade. It's not as simple as people think it is.